Hey, Tech Vibe fam, today we're diving into the next big leap in Apple's laptop line, the MacBook Pro M5. If you're someone who works, creates, codes, or just loves pushing boundaries, this could be the Mac you've been waiting for. So, when might we see it? Recent reports suggest Apple is nearing mass production of the next MacBook Pros. Some insiders expect a release between late 2025 and early 2026. Others lean toward early 2026 as the safer bet. Either way, the M5 MacBook Pro is very much on the horizon. Let's dig into what might change and what could stay familiar. First off, the chipset. The M5 family, M5, M5 Pro, M5 Max, is widely expected to succeed the current M4 line. Think more performance, better efficiency, and smarter resource management. The leap may not be game-changing at the architectural level, but it should deliver noticeable gains, especially in GPU workloads, compiling code, video rendering, and heavier multitasking. Connectivity and supporting subsystems are also expected to get a refresh. One rumor suggests integration of the N1 chip, which would bring Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6 to the MacBook Pro line. That means faster wireless transfers, lower latency, and better future-proofing, especially useful for large file workflows, cloud syncing, and remote collaboration. Thunderbolt may see an upgrade too. Some believe that even base models might adopt Thunderbolt 5, offering more bandwidth for external GPUs, high-speed storage, and docking setups. That would help bridge the gap for professionals who rely on external accessories. On the display and design front, don't expect a radical redesign for M5. Apple seems to be holding big changes for a future model. The current design is likely to persist, with the same sleek aluminum body, size options, 14-inch and 16-notch or camera housing, and solid durability. But subtle improvements, slimmer bezels, lighter weight, better thermal efficiency, are not out of the question. The MacBook Pro M5 may also come preloaded or launch alongside macOS Tahoe, giving you the freshest Apple software from day one. Tahoe offers refined multitasking, smarter window behavior, better integration across devices, and deeper optimization for Apple Silicon. One area many hope for is battery life. With the efficiency gains of the M5 and refined power management, it's realistic to expect longer real-world usage, especially for creators, developers, or users juggling heavy loads on the go. Now, what might not show up yet? Big design overhauls, OLED displays, or touchscreen support are still tipped as features for a later generation, possibly M6 or beyond. So, the M5 MacBook Pro is more about refining and expanding what already works: smarter internals, better connectivity, and consistent performance gains. Should you wait for it? If you're on an older MacBook Pro or even an older Apple Silicon model, the jump to M5 could feel significant, especially if your workflow pushes CPU, GPU, and external I/O limits. But if your current Mac is already capable and you don't need bleeding-edge speed, the upgrade might feel incremental. That's your deep dive on the upcoming MacBook Pro M5, slated for late 2025 to early 2026, packing the next-gen Apple Silicon, faster connectivity, better performance, and a refined experience. If you want updates, spec comparisons, or pro tips when it launches, hit subscribe and stay locked into Tech Vibe.